It's difficult to be myself. How can I? I always compare myself to someone else. So many treasures in my head. First of all, comparison is very normal. It's one of our qualities which you cannot run away from that. Comparison will be there. And that's why, once again, our ancestors, they created all these symbols. Whether you are following one belief system or another, there are symbols, there are saints, there are icons. They created these symbols and they tell us, don't compare with your fellow living being. If you want to compare with your Ishta, the deity that you believe in. And if you compare with your Ishta, then you'll be moving forward. You'll be moving upward. Let's see. Most of you could be coming from Christian background. I don't know. Could be. I don't know. If you start comparing yourself to Jesus, you'll be growing. But if you start comparing yourself to one of your friends, you may not grow. You may develop jealousy. But how can you be jealous of Jesus? It's a trick. And it's a useful trick. Whether it is Jesus or Buddha or Krishna or your guru or whatever, you cannot be jealous. If you are jealous, then you are not understanding the whole idea of this Ishta. Once you start comparing to that, then you will start growing. There is no backward journey, there is forward journey. So instead of trying hard to stop comparing, channelize it, redirect it to something of a higher nature.